Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. It is a pleasure to have you here. Today we're going to have a look at how to create Hyperdocs and how to uplevel your Google Docs that you're already sharing with your pupils. So first of all, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have used Hyperdocs and how you've used them to support your teaching. So here we have our Hyperdoc. It's not really a Hyperdoc yet though, it's just a Google Doc. So I've got my questions, I've got my answers, but it just looks a bit boring. So let's add in a link. So here we go. Here's one on how to use an ellipsis. So copy and paste that link up at the top and from the URL from the Omnibox, and we can put it down here. Great. Oh, but it just looks a bit messy. It doesn't look that great. So I'm going to undo that and I'm going to highlight the words, this website. Okay, and then I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit link. Okay, I'm then going to paste the link in there. Now, whenever anybody clicks on this website, it takes them to the website that we want the children to go to. Now, we can also do something here. We can make this look a wee bit nicer. Let's change the font color back to black. I quite like using Pacifico. For the font, we can make it look a little bit bigger. Maybe we could put it in italics as well. So there we go. So now it's clear that this is where you're going to click. Okay. So the children or the pupils are going to click on this website. They're going to answer the question and put the answer in here. Perfect. Second question. Read this website listing conservation status on different species. Enter a picture of a species classed as critically endangered into the answer box to the right of this question. Read this website. We don't have a website there, so as the teacher, let's come up here, we'll copy the URL and we're going to paste that into this website. So highlight this website and we are going to hit link, paste in the link. Now you can change the text here to say something else. We're going to hit apply. Now the same again. Let's make it a wee bit nicer. Let's change it to, let's go to purple. We'll make it bold. Let's change the font to Comforta as well. So now it's clear that when you want your pupils to click on this website, that's what they're going to go to. Okay. Now the third one. This image has 10 mistakes. List them all here. So what image? We don't have an image at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight the words this image. We're going to go over here. We're going to click get shareable link. And anyone on the internet can view this link. That's perfect. Hit copy. We're then going back to our Hyperdoc. Hit link and paste in the link to the image. Okay. Now same again. Let's make it look nice. Let's go for a bit light blue, bold, italics. We'll maybe make it a wee bit bigger again. Change the font to Chelsea Market. Perfect. Now our pupils know to click on this image here. So when they click here, they're going to get, when it loads, this image here. Okay, so that is how to uplevel your document into a Hyperdoc. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could subscribe to the channel, that'd be fantastic. Please like the video as well if you've enjoyed the content, and comment below if you've managed to use any Hyperdocs. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.